Hello everyone. Today we're going to unlock a Wi-Fi router. A friend in Sri Lanka contacted us and asked to unlock his router. So we are going to unlock this router remotely by connecting to AnyDesk. Right now you can see on our screen that it shows a network lock. Our friend has inserted a Hutch network SIM, but the router is not supporting it. You can clearly see the status says network lock. Now, we'll show you the model details. The model is E5785-92c STC. Our friend said he has checked in many markets, but it couldn't be unlocked. Finally, he got our number from YouTube and contacted us. This video is also shown to you as proof that it can be used on all networks. It can be unlocked. Today in this video, you will learn the full details of unlocking this router. We will try to explain everything to you easily. One more thing, friends. To unlock this router, we will flash the software. For that, we need to open the router. This means we'll open it, short the test point or boot point, and connect a cable. It's easy, not difficult. I'll now explain the full method of shorting the boot and plugging the cable. First, you take out the device's battery, then put the battery back in, but do not turn on the device. The device should remain fully powered off. Next, I've shown you an image. You can see there's a dot and a metal ground. We have to connect them, basically join them with something metal, like tweezers, scissors, or anything similar. This will short the boot, and then we plug the cable into the computer. Now this pocket Wi-Fi, we create something called a Huawei port inside the device manager. As you can now see, our pocket Wi-Fi's port is enabled. We shorted the boot just like that, connected it to the computer, and now our port is showing. Now we will start the software flashing, which might take some time. The software installation might take a little time, so we'll wait here for a bit. If you also have a similar Wi-Fi router and you're worried that you can't use another network SIM, then don't worry anymore. You can have your pocket Wi-Fi modem unlocked right from home without any hassle. You don't need to go to any market or shops. The first thing is many people get worried because they can't find a shop that can unlock their router. So now good news for all those friends. They can get any Wi-Fi router unlocked while sitting at home. Our contact number is shown on the screen. Just send us a picture of your router on WhatsApp and get the details. If it can be unlocked, we will definitely unlock it for you. We've successfully unlocked the router, friends. Now you can see where it previously showed a network lock, that issue is gone. The same Hutch SIM that was showing a network lock is now working. You can see 4G network is now active. This router can now be used on any network. Friends, if you liked our video, give it a like. To stay updated with more 4G tech news, subscribe to our channel. You'll keep getting lots of technical updates here. If you work with software, we'll meet again with another Wi-Fi unlocking software. For now, we'll say goodbye. Take care.